Hi, everybody. Happy Friday. I hope you had a wonderful week. My name is Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. I come on here to answer your questions, to give you a little knowledge about U.S. immigration law, to teach you a little bit about some rules that apply to people that want to get legal status in the U.S., have permission to enter the U.S., learn about how to maybe qualify for a green card or for a work permit, or talk about extension of status or just general immigration information for you guys. Again, this is going to be general information. If you want to talk about your immigration case, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You should call our office to schedule a consultation. You can do that at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Very exciting week for us, tons of approvals. Our team is really thrilled to be getting all these Social Security cards and work authorizations that we filed about 6 months ago. So it's very, very excited. It's very exciting start or end, excuse me. It's a very exciting end to the week. We're really thrilled for our clients. I'm here to kind of give you information, to talk to you about different ways to get status here in the U.S. legally, different ways that you might qualify that you might actually not even be aware of, right? Sometimes clients call us and they don't even know that they qualify for some kind of immigration status. And once we have that consultation, it's really enlightening for them to know that they have a pathway to a green card, that they have a pathway to citizenship here in the US, because that not only changes their own lives, but it's going to change their children's lives. It's going to change their families' lives. So it's this huge opportunity. If you have it, if you're eligible for it, you should find out, learn a little bit more here. Call us for a consultation to see if you might qualify. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name, if you're just joining, is Pratibha Agarwal. Okay, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm based in Washington, D.C. My clients are all throughout the country, all throughout the world. So no matter where you are located, you will get some red carpet service here at our firm. We are since the start of our firm, we've been helping clients remotely. So some clients prefer to come in person, and we're more than happy to welcome them into our Washington, D.C. office and meet with you in person. If you want to work with us and you can't make it here in person, that is no problem at all. We can help you remotely. We have a online portal. I know that might scare some of you, but you don't have to use it if you don't want to. We can do work by email. We can do work by phone. We also have lots of meetings through Zoom if that is something that you're comfortable with. So Zoom, of course, is like this, where you and I will meet on camera, right? So it's as close to being in person as we can get virtually. Okay, but don't worry about where you're located. If you want to work with our firm, we would love to talk to you a little bit more about how we might be able to help you. The first step is to schedule a consultation with us, and you can do that by calling our office, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Lighthouse says, do you do business in California? Do you do business in California? We have many clients in California, actually. Hi, Tanya. Nice to see you. Hi, Roxana. I love that name, Roxana, by the way. I used to have a neighbor with that name when I lived in India, and I just always loved her name so much. So love your name if you're watching. Say hi. Say hi, but nice to see so many of you guys on here. But yes, Lighthouse said, do you do business in California? Yes, yeah. We have many clients in California. We've had many successful cases in California, and we do business with clients all throughout the United States and all throughout the world. So don't hesitate to reach out to us if we can help you with your immigration case. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We have a small firm here based in Washington, D.C., but we help clients all throughout the United States with all types of immigration applications, including work-based applications, so employment cases. We help people with investor visas. We help people with VAWA and U visas and T visas, trafficking, victims of crime, victims of abuse. and of course, family-based green cards as well. So many different types of applications. Don't hesitate to reach out to us. If you want to schedule a consultation, I would highly recommend that you should do so, just so we can go through your immigration history, figure out what you're eligible for, get you on that path to a green card, right? It's really the first step. So take the leap if you can do it, and schedule a consultation. We can do it by phone, by Zoom, or in person. And the way to do that is you could go right now to our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration is our handle, or our website, agarwalimmigration.com. And we can, we'd love to chat with you a little bit more about your immigration history, your circumstances, and how and if we can get you in status with a work permit if you need it. Okay. Roxana says, please, I need your help. I would love to help you. First step is to schedule a consultation with our firm. You can call our office, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Also put your questions into the chat. Biza, Shev, Rajendra, I see you, and I will be answering your questions shortly. Don't hesitate to put your questions in. I'm streaming live right now on TikTok, on Facebook, and on YouTube. We also do have an Instagram page, but my streaming, I don't know, has not worked for a little bit on Instagram. So right now on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. And we also have an Instagram page. Follow and like us on all these platforms, guys. Follow and like us on all these platforms. You'll be notified when I go live. If you have friends or family also that might benefit from immigration information, share this post with them. Share this post with them so they can know and join us in this conversation. Okay? All right, guys. So many people here joining. So exciting. Okay. Hey, Gora. Nice to see you. Biza says, hi, ma'am. I filed my VAWA November 22nd. I got my prima facie this year. Oh, sorry, November 2022. So, okay. I got my prima facie in March of this year. When should I expect my EAD, but haven't done biometrics? So usually biometrics happens about 5 months after applying for VAWA, and EAD is your work permit, and that happens between 6 and 8 months after applying for VAWA. So it looks like you got the prima facie, so good news on that. Congratulations on that. That's like a pre-approval of your case. But usually the normal time frame is about 8 months. If we can help you with your VAWA case, if we can see if there's any way to make it stronger, give us a call. We can talk to you about your application and give you kind of an overview of what we do and how to file a pretty strong application for your VAWA case. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663, or you can go online on our Facebook page or on our website, agarwalimmigration.com, to schedule a consultation. Look forward to meeting you guys by phone, by Zoom, or in person for a consultation. Shev says, how long does it take to get a work permit pending VAWA application? My spouse is a U.S. citizen. I applied for 360 along with 485. Awesome, Shev. 360 and 485 are, 360 is the VAWA petition, and 485 is adjustment of status. It's a green card application that's based on the VAWA, I'm guessing. Normally it takes between 6 and 8 months to receive a work authorization based on a VAWA. So if the question is how long does it take to get work authorization after I filed for VAWA and adjustment of status? It takes between 6 and 8 months to receive work authorization after filing for your VAWA case. If we can help you with your VAWA application, we would love to do that. You can reach us for a consultation at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients with all types of immigration applications. I look forward to meeting you for a consultation. Rajendra says, hello, hi, nice to meet you. And then we have some folks here. Hi, Alia, hi. Okay, so let me see what other questions folks have here on TikTok. And if you have more, go ahead and put them in there while I am taking a look at this. Tanya says, hi. Nice to see you. Roxana says, thank you. Yes, because I just complimented her on such a beautiful name. Ahmed says, I recently applied for TPS. Would that qualify for the 5 years EAD? I am not sure. The 5-year EAD is for renewals, right? So it's for renewals. So as a heads up, that 5-year EAD is for renewals. That's what you're talking about, the automatic extension. So I think that's what you're referring to. I'm not sure exactly, but you can always call us for a consultation at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Rodriguez Mona says, do you do business in Hartford, Connecticut? Do you do business in Hartford, Connecticut? You know what? I'm actually from very close to Hartford, Newington, Connecticut. I grew up in Newington, Connecticut, which is about 15 minutes from Hartford. We have a lot of clients in Connecticut, and we have clients all over the country. I would love to work with you, and we can help you no matter where in the US you are located or even outside of the United States. Immigration is a federal practice, so your attorney can be located anywhere in the United States as long as they're admitted to practice anywhere in the United States. We can represent you no matter where you are. We work only with US immigration applications. If you're in Hartford, Connecticut, or anywhere else, I would love to work with you. Call us for a consultation, 703-348-1663, 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consultation on our website, agarwalimmigration.com, or on our Facebook page, and our handle there is Agarwal Immigration. Look forward to meeting you again. My name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I help clients with all types of immigration applications. All right. Roxana says, I applied for my husband. I've been waiting for 6 years. How long? I'm working. I'm not sure what the delay is, but that is a really long time. That is a really long time to be waiting for a green card application. So there might be some kind of complication in your application. We can take a look. We can figure out what the issue is and see if there's a way for us to help you fix it, okay? Alia says, is there anything that can be done for someone who came with a visiting visa and got married to a citizen and no rights? If you are married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, you entered on a tourist visa, your spouse can sponsor you for a green card. Or if there's emotional abuse, if there's verbal abuse, psychological abuse in the marriage, that you're having these marriage problems, you might be able to qualify for a VAWA application on your own. So that could be a green card application for many people if you qualify. Most people, if you entered with a tourist visa, you don't have criminal issues, you can usually apply for VAWA and a green card petition if you're married to a U.S. citizen. Call us for a consultation. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consultation on our website, Agarwal Immigration, or on our Facebook page. Agarwal Immigration is the handle. I'd love to chat more with you guys about your immigration applications. Jojo says, I've arrived on an SB1, which is essentially as a green card holder, as a permanent resident. Any issue with applying for N400, which is citizenship, after 2 years and 6 months. So you can only apply for citizenship, I think, within 90 days before the 3-year mark. So 2 years, 6 months is not enough. You have to wait a few more months, but you have to otherwise qualify for citizenship. So you have to be a person that can show you're of good moral character. You have to be married to your spouse for at least 3 years. You have to be a green card holder for that period of time, and you have to be living in this location, your specific location, for at least 3 months. You have to have 5-year physical. You have to have a certain amount of physical presence in the U.S. So there's lots of requirements for citizenship. It's a little bit more complicated than people think it is. If you want our help, I would love to help you with it. It's the last step in your immigration journey. It's the last step in your immigration journey to the United States. Call us for a consultation, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Okay. Should I be worried if my I-130 processing time has been moved from 2 months to 6 months? Processing times constantly change, guys. Processing times constantly change and has nothing to do with how good your application is. It's just the average processing times based on the number of applications that they're getting in. So don't worry about it. It has nothing to do with how good your case is. It's just they're giving you an average, right? They're giving you an average. If they need more information on your case, then they're going to ask for it. So don't worry about that. All right? Don't worry about things you can't control. Worry about the things you can control. So prepare a strong application. Work with an attorney if you can work with an attorney. Call us for a consultation and we can walk you through how to do something. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Or you can go on our website, agarwalimmigration.com, or our Facebook page, Agarwal Immigration, to schedule your consultation. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I would encourage you to follow us on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, to be updated whenever I'm on live, to make sure you're in touch with our firm so you can stay up to date on new immigration information. And if you have friends or family that also might be interested, share this post with them so they can come on as well. Okay. Oops, excuse me. Ali says, can a religious worker change employers while the adjustment of status application is pending for 18 months? Please let me know. This is a little bit more of a complicated question. The religious worker regulations are kind of called into question right now. They're not being reauthorized by the government, so there's going to be some huge delays. So you want to keep up on that. In terms of changing an employer, you can usually do that after 6 months. So I'm not sure of what your particular situation is, and you may, and another employer would need to sponsor you as well. So there's so many different moving parts here. You can give us a call at 703-348-1663, 703-348-1663, or schedule a consultation on our Facebook page or on our website. Do I have to withdraw my I-130 application to file a VAWA self-petition? Do I have to withdraw my I-130 application in order to file a VAWA self-petition? We see this question all the time. We have people that are married to U.S. citizens or green card holders where they've started the marriage-based green card process with their spouse, but the relationship is so abusive that this becomes a way for that spouse to manipulate and control you, right? You, the foreign national who's depending on them for this green card. So you should know that you might be eligible if your relationship is abusive. Emotional, verbal, mental abuse does qualify. So if your relationship is in any way abusive, you might be able to file that green card on your own without the help of your spouse and without the knowledge of your spouse. So that might be something you want to consider. You do not need to withdraw that I-130 application that's been filed. It's a completely separate application. You don't need to withdraw that in order to apply on your own. I would call us for a consultation so we can review those steps with you, but it is possible. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. And we would be happy to talk to you about how that works, what the next steps are. We would love to help you with that. The consultations are always with me. My name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney, and I help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. Okay. This is another common question. My U.S. citizen spouse cheated on me. My U.S. citizen husband or wife cheated on me. Is that considered abuse for VAWA purposes? So this can add to emotional abuse in the marriage, right? Obviously, this is much more harmful in many ways than physical abuse. If there's no physical abuse, you have infidelity that can contribute to emotional abuse in the marriage. Of course, we look at all of the different types of abuse, including verbal abuse, psychological abuse, emotional abuse, financial, sexual, and also physical if it's there. But many clients are approved for VAWA without any physical abuse. Call us if this is you. If you want to apply for a green card on your own, your spouse has cheated on you, you might qualify for a VAWA application. You can reach out to us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. And we'd be happy to schedule a consultation with you by Zoom, by phone, or in person. Check out also our website, agarwalimmigration.com, or our Facebook page. Agarwal Immigration is the handle if you'd like to go online, see my availability, and get on my calendar right away. Okay? Look forward to meeting many of you. All right, here's another question. What if my abusive spouse died? Excuse me. What if my abusive spouse dies and they've never filed a green card application for you? So if you can apply on your own within 2 years of their death, then you can apply for this application for a green card on your own if you're married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder and it's within 2 years of them passing away. You can also qualify for a green card. So give us a call. We can help you get that taken care of. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. All right, great. Thank you so much. I look forward to meeting many of you by Zoom, by phone, or in person. Please reach out and have a great weekend. Have a great weekend. Thank you for joining me. Reminder again to follow us and like us and share this with others. And I will see you again next week. Thanks, guys. Bye.